Good morning, dear subscribers. Hopefully everybody having good weekends. Today I decided made a video Mitsubishi MiniCab 2001 model. It's a 4x4 high-low gear, 5-speed manual, AC. This is a G83 engine. It's a next generation, something to do with the injectors, some kind of different injectors here, better. So what I want to show you guys today, I put 2-inch lift kit, and one of my customer found very good all-terrain tires. It's Yokohama Geolander MT G83, and the size 145/80 R12. So it's a 8-ply, I believe. I don't see where. Yeah, I think it's 8-ply. This is awesome tires. They don't make a lot of noise. They are not heavy. So the basically mini truck doesn't lose any power. Man, I already got that tire messed up. I didn't put 4-wheel drive and it was grabbing there. It's dirty now. I'm gonna wash it. Look at these pretty tires, and it's enough. I mean, even farmers, they all keep trying to tell me put 2-inch lift kit, huge tires. You don't need huge tires. This will do the job anywhere, and also you can drive them like 65 miles, 75 miles an hour on the highways. So Yokohama Geolanders G003 195/80/12, good tires. This mini truck is sold already, and the customer wants me put some 2-inch lift kit, and also he wants huge tires too, but I convinced him don't do it. Got brand new spare there. It's nice mini truck. He got very good deal because it's got 59,000 miles, I believe. 59? Yeah, 59. This is in perfect shape. I put seat cover for driver because it was tiny rip here, so I covered it. He's a veteran. He's got discount for Memorial Day. And man, this truck is great. Engine is amazing on this truck. I like it. Yeah, just a whispering, runs great, a lot of power. Very nice truck. You'll love it. It's got Japanese inspection, and I inspected all. I replaced a lot on this truck. I don't remember, but because I do so many of them anymore, I think I did timing belt, everything. Should be on the paper. Yeah, yesterday another ex-military guy got Suzuki Carry, and he got military discount. Yeah, this one, timing belt new, tensioner bearing, new crankshaft seal, new oil pump seal, new camshaft seal, new spark plugs, new air filter, man, everything. So everything done. So this is how we do it here. When they arrive, I don't sell them right away, and I do all the inspection, all the repairs first, and I try put it on the video. At least I do video to point what's gonna be done. Sometime I do video how I replace it, but it takes time, and I'm by myself, and it's 350 million people around, so sometime I couldn't please every single of them. Beautiful day. Look at that. Birds flying, singing. Here's spy, CIA. Oh, Bill Gates, mafioso. Okay, that's it. It's gonna be short video. Beautiful truck, and I am working right now a nice, very nice Mitsubishi MiniCab. Same truck, but different grille on the front and different lights. I mean, it's same almost. I think 1 year younger than this. This is 2001. This is a little fancier. But another Mitsubishi is a dump truck. Awesome truck too. So I'm gonna I checked already engine and everything. Don't need a timing belt because it's got only, I believe, 27,000 miles, I think, only. So, but I took piston off for dump. I'm gonna take it to replace the, what is that? Spy? Yep, little spy. Yeah, the seals on the dump piston will be replaced, and I'll fix it. I change all the fluids on that dump, and it's gonna be ready. Okay, that's it for today. Have a blessed life. Enjoy these beautiful days. And garden's problem now, huh? Too much water. I need to hide my cucumbers.